Let's continue. Let's continue. I'm gonna use the onion. I'm gonna wash it. That's the soup. You wanna see the soup? And these are the seasonings right here. So I'm gonna use the chicken or pollo. This is really good. I'm gonna use this seasoning that has different types of vegetables. And the lemon pepper. I'm also gonna use Sazon Goya. You can find these at the Mexican stores or at Walmart, or you can go online and buy them too. All these seasonings, depending. And this cube, I usually like the red cube, but we don't have any at the moment, so I'm gonna use this chicken cube right here. All these ingredients are going in this pot, okay? So let's get started. First, just put some, not the whole container. You know, gotta know how much to put in it. This right here, the vegetables. Then the lemon pepper. This is really good. Just like that. And then the Goya. Then the cube. It looks like this. And yes, I'm gonna add more water to it. And the last thing is gonna be the shrimp. So just bear with me. Don't it look delicious? I'm gonna try a little bit, guys. I'm gonna try a little bit of juice. Really good, guys. Try this at home for your kids. It's delicious. It's a delicious soup. It just needs the shrimp. Oh boy. I know that's right. The shrimp is coming. You see the tails? Gotta come off. So this is the shrimp. I'm just gonna take off the tails, all right? I just don't like tails in the soup. I gotta take them off, put them in the soup. When the soup is ready, I just go ahead and eat, you know? It's way better than putting the soup right in your mouth, having a shrimp and having to take the tail off. That's aggravating. It's annoying. And then the soup will be ready and it's easier to eat. So now what I did was I switched the shrimp to this bowl for water to be much more. Now the shrimp is right there. You can see the tail is soft. Now I can take it off. It will be a lot faster. Okay, so now let's get started by taking off the tails from the shrimp. All you gotta do is pull. See, not easier. Kids love shrimp. Some kids love shrimp, not all of them, but here they like shrimp. Actually, they like eating hot meals, and soups are easy to make. That's what your shrimp looks like. So now I'm gonna add the shrimp. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the shrimp to the soup. Just like that. It's more soup now. Okay, you wanna add more shrimp, you can, and it will be ready in a couple of minutes, ready to eat. Okay, I just gotta let everything cook really good. That'll be it. Ready to serve, ready for the tummy. The soup will be ready in a minute, ready to serve, ready to eat with the mouth going into the tummy. Here's the rest of the shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and add more shrimp. Now it's gonna give a better flavor with the shrimp. And this is the soup, you guys. It's about ready. It's boiling. There is the soup right there. I hope you enjoyed this video with me cooking a soup. I hope you make this at home. It's really healthy. I'm about to eat. And also for the kids. Okay, this is it. This is Eddie Cantu from Ingenious Productions. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share the video. And also, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer you back. See you in the next video. Also, make sure to check out the merchandise, all right? Links are right in the description box below.